Our company has produced high-quality metal components since 1946. Today I'm going to show you how to set up one of our popular UV3000 bed supports. It's very simple. All you need is a screwdriver, a cordless drill if you have one, an adjustable wrench. Let's get started. First, remove carton and place components next to bed. Locate the 6 support arms. Bed support heights are adjustable using adjustable glides, and for greater heights, an extension tube. Place support assembly next to bed rail cleat and adjust bed support height to equal height of bed rail. Make sure any extension tube is firmly in place by tapping the assembly. Repeat the bed rail assembly and adjust height for remaining bed supports. Take the U-bracket and lightly tighten the wing nut provided. Simply screw the flattened end into the slat bearer on your wooden side rail. Now go back and tighten the wing nut. Repeat these steps for the remaining 2 bed support assemblies. For a 3-way support system, place one support 12 inches from the headboard and another 12 inches from the footboard. Then just center the remaining support between the headboard and footboard. Please go to garrettsupports.com.